Hello everyone. So what we're going to do today is actually put on a screen protector for my iPhone 14 Pro Max. This will probably be about the same no matter which iPhone 14 you have. And I was probably going to skip putting on a screen protector on the 14. I had it on my XS. I really liked it. I know it definitely protected a few things, but the reason I'm doing this on the 14 is because one of my coworkers actually just hurt his 14, so I don't want to take any chances. So what we're going to do is install the Spigen Glaster Easy Fit, and I like these because it does have the the mold, so you make sure you align it up correctly. And I'll leave a link down in the description if you are interested in learning more about it. So we'll go ahead and open this guy up here. There is an installation video that is on the back here. Sometimes I like to see other people do it. That way I get an idea as to what it'll actually be like. I know sometimes the videos that the manufacturers do are kind of, we'll say, not exactly the way it would be in real life. So I'm going to give you real life examples of how this is done. Okay. Oh, wow. I was not expecting two of these. With the fits, because usually what ends up happening is you get one of the guides and then you get the actual screen protector there as well. So this will be nice. We've got a squeegee here, so after we put this thing on, we'll be able to squeegee out any of the air bubbles. Let's see, it's got the thank you for choosing, which is awesome, and then we've got the instructions. So we're going to use the cleaning wipe. We're going to pull back the film on here, and then we're going to go ahead and press and hold, and we're going to wait 30 seconds, I believe is what it says, and then from there we'll go ahead and take off the guide and squeegee off the side. So pretty cool. All right, and then some additional things that they sell. Let's go ahead and see what we've got inside here. So we've got the screen wipe, and then we also have the dust removal as well, so that's super important. So I'm going to actually give one of these to my coworker and put that there. One of these in here. All right, so what I'm going to do first though is take off my case as it goes flying. And I use the OtterBox with mine. It's just the one that I've used in the past. It's worked really well, so I thought I'd go ahead and continue that. If you have any questions while I'm going through this, please feel free to ask down below. So just make sure you get it nice and clean. You don't want to have anything on there that might get stuck underneath the screen. If that happens, then I will not be sharing this, the extra one, with my coworker, but hopefully it will not be a problem. All right, and I want to make sure that we line this up correctly. So we've got the top here, and this is the top. Just want to make sure that it fits. Seems to line up really well, so that's good. All right, we'll go ahead and just do this one more time on the wipe. Okay. And I don't see any dust, so I'm not going to worry about the other part there. So what we're going to do is let's follow the instructions. So let's do that one more time. It does help if we remove the back there. Okay, that's now on, and now what we're going to do is press and slide. We're going to wait 30 seconds, it says. We're definitely going to need that squeegee. Basically, you're just going to keep trying to get the edges off like that. All right. I think we got all the bubbles out. Awesome. All right, that's it. We are on there now. So all I'm going to do now is put my case back on and we are good to go. Super awesome. All right, if you have any questions on how to put this on, make sure to ask down below. As you can see, it's pretty self-explanatory. This thing is the key as far as being able to get those bubbles out. If you want a link to this, use the link down in the description. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, I invite you to do so. We do lots of things on the channel that a professional geek might find interesting. We do lots of different things like home automation, going to theme parks, Star Wars and Star Wars The Black Series, electronics and electronics accessories. And with that, have a great day.